Hey guys, Gabe TODAY Ford here. Got some exciting news today. We just recently took in 2024 Mustang GT. So come along with me as I highlight a couple of the key features on the new Mustang. And it's only right that we start with the meat and the potatoes. The Coyote 5-liter engine, dual throttle bodies this year, brings the horsepower up from 450 from the 23 models to 480 horsepower. Have these nice ram scoop intakes here. Let all that air into your engine to help it breathe. And of course, how can we forget this nice new redesigned front end with LED headlights. And guys, it's kind of obvious we have a new redesigned rear end for this vehicle. It looks super sleek with its nice wedge spoiler. Bring us around here to the 20-inch wheels and a 19-inch Brembo brake package on this GT Premium model. Jumping into the interior of this Mustang, it has to be my favorite with this huge 12-inch instrument cluster here, 13-inch LCD instrument stack in the center, B&O sound system, heated and cooled seats on this premium model, heated steering wheel, wireless charging pad, track apps to where you can track your 0 to 60, brake performance, acceleration timer 0 to 60, even has a line lock for those nice burnouts. So guys, that's the 2024 Mustang GT. If you or someone you know is ready to take their performance to the next level, stop in today, talk to me, and discover the only difference. Cue the sound clip.